NTV, January 8, 2008. A whale is stranded on the south coast of England. It is towed free, but has to be euthanized due to kidney failure. This is basically the animal that is lying on the shore and is in danger of drying out. Perhaps one should have given the whale a moment to realize that it is in the saving sea, so that the kidney collection tubes would open again. Then again, why does a whale strand? Did he have a renal collecting tube constellation due to circumstances? Is he disoriented? Had this animal felt conflictively left alone? Did they perhaps shoot this animal, her young? Why do whales strand? Is it a kidney collection tube constellation? Well, then you need the skull CT of a whale. Just require to put it on a CT scanner. Surely, the guys at Siemens should be able to put something like that together. German public broadcaster in January 2018. No idea, I only know this one clip. He tells something about saving whales. He says it's not always the right thing to do to save the whale. I just need to find the right moment right now. Now comes a clip. There's a whale stranded and now, look what's coming up there. An SBS is starting. A sensible biological special program with existential fear. A sensible biological special program. The whale is retaining water. The kidney. And then the phase until the flood comes again to survive. And then, yay, he's still alive. Through the sensible biological special program. And not a word about Dr.Hamer. What is the meaning of this? A clip of a few minutes. That's nothing more than a test balloon. Who wants to see, now that Dr.Hamer is dead, as far as Germanische Heilkunde is concerned, there is no more authority. Helmut Pilhar is not a medical doctor. And now we are thinking about how we can somehow turn things around. That is their fear. And now we're allowing some through, to see how they react to it. What did we have to consider? They do nothing but watch us 24 hours a day. And they know exactly which controls to turn, to get what they want as a result. It was nothing else. What else could it have been? This is precisely what this seminar video is about. The seminar tutorial, the syndrome builds on this. There are symptoms, for example, ascites, gout, or acute arthritis, which I only have when I have closed the kidney collection tubes. It worsens every healing phase, and we find it in all special programs. So in the syndrome, the kidney collecting tubes are active, and another program is in the healing phase at the same time. We keep running into it, and it keeps aggravating the symptoms. It can also be very dangerous under certain circumstances. For this reason, this topic is vital.
Germanische Heilkunde is considered the greatest discovery in the history of humanity, by those people who have understood its underlying principle. While classical medicine is based on more than 5,000 hypotheses, the Germanische Heilkunde can be considered as the only medicine, which is scientifically verifiable. With Germanische Heilkunde, for the first time in the history of humanity as we know it, there is a medicine with which any patient case can be reproduced in a strictly scientific manner. More than 30 different universities have already confirmed this in the past. Nevertheless, the discovery of Dr.Hamer has been suppressed and denigrated for over 30 years. Take your health into your own hands, and learn about Germanische Heilkunde, while you are still healthy. Helmut Pilhar, one of 3 lecturers, officially appointed by Dr.Hamer for Germanische Heilkunde, offers you an extensive and complete seminar collection for this purpose, which is now also to be translated into the English language. This knowledge will change your view of conventional medicine, forever. You can find a direct link to Helmut Pilhar's seminar videos in the description, below this video.